How to start a business, 10 step-by-step guide. Are you just starting a new small business? Find out where to begin and how to achieve success. This video will help you with everything from finding and validating your money-making idea to figuring out your shipping strategy to finally launching your product or service. This checklist guide is for entrepreneurs who want to understand the first steps of starting a new business. Before we continue to discuss the step-by-step guide to starting a business properly, please kindly subscribe to our channel, so you will get the latest updated video content from us. 1. Find a business idea. The first step in starting a business is figuring out what you want it to be. Finding small business ideas is a task you can approach systematically by relying on time-tested approaches that have worked for other entrepreneurs. Be sure to perform a market analysis to make sure there is enough demand and that the competition is not too crowded. 2. Write your business plan. As the proprietor, writing a business plan helps formalize your idea and can streamline the business creation process by getting you to sit down and think things through methodically. Having a firm grasp of your known unknowns is important because all it means is that you're actively not prioritizing finding a solution right now. That's a lot better than being unprepared or caught off guard, especially if you struggle to answer these questions while seeking funding. 3. Secure financing to fund your business. Starting any business has a price, so you need to determine how you're going to cover those costs. Many startups fail because they run out of money before turning a profit. It's never a bad idea to overestimate the amount of startup capital you need, as it can be a while before the business begins to bring in sustainable revenue. One way you can determine how much money you need is to perform a break-even analysis. This is an essential element of financial planning that helps business owners determine when their company, product or service will be profitable. Here are the 3 most common reasons to conduct a break-even analysis. First, determine profitability. This is generally every business owner's highest interest. Second, price a product or service. When most people think about pricing, they consider how much their product costs to create and how competitors are pricing their products. Third, analyze the data. What volumes of goods or services do you have to sell to be profitable? Don't overspend when starting a business. Understand the types of purchases that make sense for your business and avoid overspending on fancy new equipment that won't help you reach your business goals. 4. Choose a business structure. Choosing the right structure is about balancing the legal and financial protection you need with the flexibility offered by different options. It's an important decision, and it's one you should consider carefully before you launch your business. Business structures vary based on your country and area, but common types, that may go by different names in your country, are sole proprietorship, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. A sole proprietorship is great if you're the only person involved in the business, and is usually the lowest effort structure to pursue, but it leaves you personally liable for the business and its activities. A limited liability corporation, LLC, is a common type of small business entity in the U.S. It provides liability protection for the business owners, so you are not financially responsible if legal claims are brought against your business. A C corporation is a business structure where proprietors are taxed separately from the entity. Shareholders own the business and each has a fractional share of the company. 5. Get federal and state tax ID numbers. A federal tax ID, also called an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a 9-digit number the IRS assigns to businesses and organizations for tax purposes. Having an EIN will help you when you file taxes, protect you legally, help protect your personal information, and help you establish credit. 6. Obtain a business license and permits. Once you understand how to start a business, look into what local, state, and federal licenses you need to operate legally. It's worth consulting with a small business lawyer to get advice before you launch your business. 7. Open a business bank account to make managing your finances far easier. Take the time to open a business bank account, and obtain a business credit card. 8. Get business insurance helps protect your small business and personal assets from anything that could go wrong. 9. Select your tools and software. Taking the steps to start a business means having more to do than reasonably can be done. That's why small business owners shouldn't underestimate the value of good software. 10. Hire your team. Now that you know how to start a business, it's time to dive into building your team with employees that will manage it. Thank you for watching till the end. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get our new videos' latest update. If you like our video, like, comment, and share it with your friends or family. Thank you.